Today I am going to show you how to make rice paper flowers. This is a very simple and super easy technique to make flowers for your cake decorations. We always keep searching on the internet what kind of cake decorations should we be doing on our cakes, on our cupcakes, so that the cake looks extremely beautiful and it should stand out from the competition as well, right? So today I will show you how to make use of rice papers and make flowers out of it. And for making rice paper flower, what I have done is I have taken some water in this dish. Of course we will need rice papers. Okay, they are easily available in the local market. Even with your bakery product suppliers, they are available, or you can buy from Amazon. I have given you the link in the description box. And then the big rice paper, what I have done is I have cut it into small pieces. So like small circles I have cut out of the big rice paper circle. Okay, small ones. So these are the sizes that I have taken. So 3 different sizes you are supposed to take for making your rice paper flowers. Soak them in water and keep your silicone molds ready. These are really tiny ones. Let them sit in the water for about a minute or so. What I did on the big rice paper circle is that I used my edible pen and I had created circles out of it. These circles then I had cut it using scissors. So those pen marks, they are coming out in the water. That is absolutely fine. I'm not coloring the water because I want to make a white flower, which I'm then going to paint using a gold paint. Alright, so let's see. Okay, so now this particular rice paper is ready, right? So since I need 3 different sizes, so what I'm going to use is these kind of silicone molds. So there are 2 sizes that I have taken. One is the smaller one. This is little big, and if you have another mold, another silicone mold in between these 2 sizes, you can definitely use that. Since I did not have it, what I am using over here is this mini cupcake liners. Okay, so again, all these things are easily available in the market and on Amazon as well. What I am doing is I am taking this one mold, 2 of these, and then 2 of the silicone cupcake liners and these mini ones. The big ones will go directly inside this. Try to remove the air bubbles. We do not want the air bubble. We want to form a kind of cavity. So this is fine. These ruffles are also okay. It looks like a flower has got a natural curl. So this is okay, right? So the another one as well, I'm going to put it inside. Let me use the smaller ones and put them inside this. Just slide them and they will settle down on their own. And just slide your rice paper inside. Okay, again let it settle down inside. So this is it. Now we will let this set for about 24 hours and then we will see what happens to them. I will also show you how the other ones are looking. Even see, these are looking very nice and they are coming out easily from the mold itself. See, you just have to push it from behind, and these are the cups. Okay, so these are the flowers that I have got, flower petals rather. Let me show you these as well. See these, even they are ready. So what I'm going to do is And let me show you these as well. Even they will pop out immediately because they are all nicely dried up. This is the smallest petal. Just push them a little from below and they will come off easily. Okay, so this is what it is. The idea is to put the petals like this. Okay, this is what we are supposed to do. At this point of time it is still not looking like a flower, okay, but once you all nicely dust it using gold dust, this is how it looks. Here you can put some golden sugar balls as well. I'm going to show you how to do that decoration. Okay, first we will try to stick all the petals together. For sticking these petals to each other, we will take small pieces of rice paper and we will soak them in water for some time. So once each small piece is all nicely softened, okay, now you can see these small pieces are becoming softer and softer. So this is what we have to, so this piece we have to use, and this will act as a glue for our petals. All right. So what I'm going to do is just wherever you want, whichever part is just sticking to the below flower, you stick this piece to that part. And then you go there and stick it. Okay, can you see this portion has become a little bit wet? So after that dries up, it is going to stick this particular petal to the below petal. Okay, if you want, you can put more and more such small pieces. This is another one which I am going to place it like that. Okay. You will have to make these flowers in advance, okay, because see, for the first time you will have to ensure that the rice petals are all nicely dried up, which will take about a day or so, and then after that you will have to ensure that again you are soaking your rice papers in this water, and then you are going to stick the flowers to each other like this. Okay, let this dry, and when they are drying up you can use the gold paint on top of these. So this is gold dust. Now you know what? Earlier you saw that the petals were loose. Now if I just turn it around, you can see that the petals are nicely stuck to each other, and this is because of the rice paper that we have used. Okay, the wet rice paper that we have used, which is acting here as a glue. Now if I press this, this has slightly become moist. So again I can arrange, if the petals are not nicely stuck, by just moving the finger around, I can ensure that the petals are sticking very well to each other. See this? They are not falling at all. So you can go ahead and do the painting on this one as well. See how beautiful they look. Now in the center, what you can do is you can take the golden sugar balls, which are easily available in the market, okay, like these ones, and you can press few of them in the center. Or you can use some fondant. Roll it very well. You can make small balls of this or you can just use as is, and you can stick it in the center. Okay, so like that you can just place it. Again you have to take just a little bit of water, just a bit of water, and try to fix it over here. Just do that, and after it is dried up, again you can cover that as well with the gold dust. See how beautiful they look. So like this you can make colorful flowers, or you can keep them as is, even they look gorgeous. I have not colored this rice paper, I have just used little bit of gold dust around the edges. The flowers are completely dried, and you can see how beautiful they are looking. They are very well stuck to each other, the petals are very well stuck to each other, and even the sugar balls are stuck very well inside our petals. Okay, so now you can go ahead and arrange them on any cupcakes or cakes, so as to make your cake or cupcake look more and more beautiful. So can you see how these flowers are looking? They are looking absolutely beautiful, right? They are stuck so well. All the petals are stuck very well to each other, and this is a very elegant way of decorating your cakes. You can even place these on your cupcakes as well. I am going to put them on my cake, so let me show you that as well. So I am just going to arrange these flowers on this whipped cream cake. So on the bottom I am sticking it like this. Then one on the edge. See how gorgeous they are looking. You can even raise the height of these flowers by just putting little bit of cream and then arranging them. Okay, so here also I have done the same thing, just a small drop of cream, so that I can raise the height of my flowers very well. Okay. Now you can still go ahead and paint some gold dust on the edges as well. Even that will look very, very beautiful. And you can also decorate it with some golden sugar balls. So I hope you have loved this technique. Do try these rice paper flowers and let me know in the comment box. And if you want to know any other flower technique, also comment below, so that I can make a tutorial on that. Thank you so much for joining in. If you have loved this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell icon so that whenever a new video comes in, you get notified about it. Thank you so much for watching.